what they want, or you'll wind up back in Kokomo, Nebraska.
Indiana, Miss Dimple.
Whatever.
They like it big, they like it loud, maybe a little bit jazzy sometimes. Mr. Pussycat, listen to me. You don't have to be good, but you had better be.
Get hot, Miss Dimple.
Big and loud. Big and loud. Gonna make your mama proud. Make it big.
Leaves you kind of speechless, don't it?